Ultra, ready to run. What's going on, guys? Randy here with another crypto video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, hit the bell notification, and if you would like exclusive content from myself, I post 1 to 3 times per day on my Patreon, link down below in the description. Today I'm going to get into Ultra UOS. Ultra's mission is to build a first-class PC game publishing platform and ecosystem that puts an end to the current distribution monopoly by providing new opportunities to game developers, players, and influencers. And that's a lot of what cryptocurrency is all about, is getting rid of the middleman and trying to make things fair for everybody, trying to turn centralization into decentralization. And Ultra's essentially trying to take down the big giants that are monopolizing the gaming industry. Okay, the problem right now with the industry is that the PC gaming is currently dominated by middlemen and industry heavyweights such as Steam, Apple, and Google. The monopoly these companies hold makes it difficult for developers to sell their software outside of these walled gardens. It is also becoming increasingly difficult for gamers to discover the right kind of content. Again, Ultra is coming in to knock out the big dogs and take their share of the market. Now, here are some quotes from some industry professionals. This comes from Tim Sweeney, founder of Epic Games. He says the game market system is pretty unfair. Most of the money made goes to middlemen, app stores, social networks. This is broken. We should not accept this as a status quo. We should constantly be on the lookout for better solutions. And again, that better solution here is Ultra. And then here is an anonymous developer. He says, Valve is not earning 30%. You get almost nothing now from being on Steam, other than the fact their near monopoly has limited your options. Steam does not drive users to you at all. Now, the big thing is the huge cut that these middlemen take. So Steam takes 30% of sales revenue. Also, Apple and Google app stores, they also take 30% of all sales. Developers only get 70% of the app revenue and have to wait until the end of the month to receive a payment. You got these developers doing all the work, and these other platforms like Steam and Apple and Google, they're taking a big chunk of the revenue. Now, Ultra has pretty unique technology. Ultra's software development kit, or SDK, will completely close the gap between legacy publishing platforms and Ultra by providing all SDK features available from competing platforms. So like you see in this little graphic here, you have Steam, Xbox, and PlayStation. So Ultra makes porting an app or game from other platforms as easy as possible. Ultra's SDK will also allow developers to build new games on a variety of popular development coding environments. Now, the Ultra platform, of course, they're going to get their cut too. They're going to need revenue to keep their business going as well. They take 15%. Which of course sounds like a lot, but that's only half of what these other big middlemen are taking. The Apple's taking 30%. You have Steam taking 30% as well. Ultra also distributes 50% of the revenue it takes to players and developers who bring new users to the platform. And that's what's needed with a company like Ultra that's trying to take down giants. You need to incentivize the people that are playing and bringing other people in. So players, developers are going to get some of the revenue. And of course, that'll probably change over time, but in these beginning stages, that's what's needed. Now, the UOS token will be used for payments for games, payments for the rewards and referrals, beta tests, watching ads, and curating games, payment for ads run on and off the platform, creation of non-fungible tokens, staking of tokens, and also staking of tokens on the platform. All right, a quick look at Ultra's team. Co-CEO David Hanson and Nicholas Gallo have both been in the gaming industry for over 18 years. They both have founded and operated several gaming companies, including Pixelbeam. Xiao Boang, in cooperation with AMD, was a $100+ million console project for the Chinese market. Also, Ultra has a partnership in place with one of the 5 largest gaming companies in the world, in Ubisoft, and they also have a partnership with AMD. AMD will also distribute games to its customers to redeem on Ultra. And Ultra is also part of the Blockchain Game Alliance. The main competitors for Ultra don't even really lie in the crypto space. You might think that, Engine or Wax are competitors, but they're really not. Those are two cryptocurrencies that are focusing more on NFTs and digital items that can be used across different games. The main competitor for Ultra are WeGame, Apple, Google, and Epic Games. And compared to their competitors, Ultra takes almost the lowest percentage of revenue share, allows for game porting from any platform, and helps developers with advertising. There really is nothing like Ultra on the market currently, and that's why it's so valuable. And I think it's kind of undervalued and overlooked at this point. A few more partnerships here to look at. Gaming platform Ultra integrates with Theta Network for live streaming. This was announced back in September of 2020. This service will allow users to see games in action before making a purchase and earn rewards that can be spent within the ecosystem. When a user hits a particular game's landing page, they will see the games being played live via Theta streaming technology directly within the Ultra platform. Users can then earn rewards of both Theta, T-Fuel, and Ultra UOS tokens for relaying the streams that they watch. Streamers can also use the system to airdrop non-fungible tokens to fans and viewers and earn rewards for promoting games on Ultra. Now that's a pretty cool partnership. We saw how big Theta got, and it only makes sense that they would be partnering with Ultra. This is from April 29th. Now you can pay with UOS on Amazon, eBay, and Walmart with 2% discounts via Shopping.io. Shopping.io is another cryptocurrency that allows you to spend your crypto at places like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. This partnership has long-term value for the Ultra community. For one, you won't need to go through a complex cash-out operation to spend UOS. This will be particularly useful when, for example, you start earning UOS through trading items and NFTs, watching live streams, and participating in tournaments. You can now use the UOS you've earned to buy tangible goods on the biggest e-commerce sites. You'll also be able to use a special 2% discount on any items purchased through the site. So it really is a win-win. You're earning Ultra UOS tokens for, watching live streams, for participating in these tournaments, and you could use those earnings to buy things on Shopping.io. It's a pretty cool feature. It's a pretty cool partnership there. Okay, right now Ultra UOS is ranked number 190 on CoinGecko. You can get one UOS token for 63 cents. Right now they have a $347 million market cap and a 552 million circulating supply. I think Ultra looks like they're ripe for the picking right now. It's a decent circulating supply. It's not too crazy. It's 63 cents is relatively inexpensive. And this is a project that, I think at this point most projects are going to go 10x, at least 10x in this bull market. That would put Ultra over $6, and I think that's completely possible. We could probably even see Ultra get to $12 in this bull market. It might sound crazy. This is a project that doesn't have a lot of competition. They're solving a problem within the market, and they still have plenty of room to grow. So I wouldn't be surprised if a $12 UOS by the peak of this bull market. And take a look at this chart. You can see that Ultra has not pumped too hard yet. We've had some nice peaks here, but there's been nothing too crazy yet. A nice time to buy would have been right down here at 41 cents, but even right now at 63, it's 14% down from its all-time high of 73 cents. Who knows when the next pullback would be? This might be a good time to get some now and then dollar cost average in later. We see some bigger pullbacks. And if you want to purchase Ultra UOS, you could do so on Uniswap, Bitfinex, Gate.io, KuCoin. I can personally say that Gate.io and KuCoin are very easy to use. There's links down in the description for both of those exchanges. Also, I love Uniswap. It's just the fees right now for simple transactions are way too big, but if that's your only option, then Uniswap is pretty easy to use. Alright guys, let me know your price prediction down below for Ultra UOS. Where do you think it'll be at the peak of the bull run? If you guys like this video, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, check out my Patreon if you would like more exclusive content from myself, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Get up to $250 of free Bitcoin when you fund your BlockFi account. There are no lockup periods, so you can release your funds at any time. Earn up to 8.6% APY on USDC, BTC, ETH, Link, and Litecoin. At the peak of the bull run, I'll be cashing out into USDC and earning 8.6% interest, and also buying back in during the bear market. If you want to do the same, be sure to click the link down below in the description or the comment section to set up your BlockFi account.